Alright, so I'm going to show you guys how to work number 11 on the mole worksheet problems. So it's asking you what mass of potassium chlorate contains 80 grams of oxygen. So if I were you, I'd start down here with the 80 grams of oxygen, right? So I'd say we've got 80 grams of oxygen. Okay. Then I would convert my grams of oxygen to moles of oxygen. So 16 grams of oxygen are in 1 mole of oxygen. Okay. So now our grams of oxygen cancel, so now we're at moles of oxygen. Then I would use my mole to mole ratio, and the formula for potassium chlorate is KClO3. Okay, so I would say there are 3 moles of oxygen in every 1 mole of KClO3. So I see how I did that. I know there's 3 moles of oxygen because of this 3 down here. Okay, so there's 3 moles of oxygen for every 1 mole of potassium chlorate. So now my moles of oxygen cancel, so now I'm back at moles of potassium chlorate. And it's asking us for the mass of potassium chlorate, right? So I'm at moles. So this is when you would use your molar mass of potassium chlorate. So you say 1 mole of KClO3. And then you'd find the molar mass of potassium chlorate, which you should know how to do by now, which is 122.5 grams. So now our moles of potassium chlorate cancel, so now we're left with grams of potassium chlorate. Put my bottom on. And then once you put that in the calculator, you should get 204 grams of potassium chlorate. So it's just like the problems we worked in class today, you were just working backwards. So in class today, we would have given you the mass of potassium chlorate and asked you what mass of oxygen there was. This problem, you're just working backwards from an element to a compound and not a compound to an element. Good? Okay, great.